Natural results where you can see the difference. The team from MD Hair Labs is here. Thank you so much for joining us today.
One of the things we also do is eyebrow transplants, and we have Jenny here today who had one of those recently, but we do all kinds of hair restoration procedures. Jenny was like many people who have either lost eyebrows just over time or had gone through and things had been plucked and removed, or a lot of times they just gradually fade down. And so we're able to take hair from areas that you have extra to give at the back underneath here. We take a little strip of skin that has the hair in it and sew that back up, and you never see it again. And those hairs are then dissected out and placed exactly where you need them. And she had previous microblading and pigmenting here, so we really just went right along pretty much where she had wanted things.
Okay.
And you implant and transplant those living hairs into the eyebrow, giving you natural existing hairs of your own, just like they should be.
Wow, to your point, Dr. Wilson, very scientific.
Yes.
Jenny, how was the experience for you?
It was great. I mean, actually just going in and just relaxing, watching Netflix, they did all the work. I did kind of show them the shape that I like.
Okay.
And then he came in with his artistic ability and helped me shape them even more. And I mean, painless, just comfortable.
Okay.
A little sore afterwards, but medication helps, and then just letting the process happen.
Okay, so if I come in with a picture of Beyonce's eyebrows, we can
We can do it.
work that out,
do
Dr.
that.
Ragland?
Absolutely.
Okay, stay after the show. We'll chat. If someone out there and they're very interested and they want to learn more about the work that you all are doing at MD Hair Labs, how can they do that?
So they can go online at mdhairlabs.com, or they can give us a call.
Anything else people need to know as they're researching, or are there any kind of frequently asked questions that you all may receive at the clinic that we can answer really quick on air?
Many things are about recovery time and things like that, and recovery time is kind of however long you want to be out from the view of people, but generally probably week and a half,
Okay.
maybe 2 weeks, depending on how worried you are about what people see.
Okay,
But it
was
heals
that
up really
your
quick.
experience?
I mean,
Jenny?
I took off the next day, and then I went back, and I looked like I had just either had them permanent makeup on them, or I looked like I colored them in. They
Okay.
were easy. I love them.
Awesome. I think we do have some information if you want to reach out to the team at MD Hair Labs. Here it is right there on your screen. Thank you all so much for joining us today. We appreciate you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.